He walked toward a place he once called home, but time had erased what memory refused to forget. What remained wasn't a house, only silence.
What you're watching right now wasn't filmed with a camera. This cinematic scene didn't start as a video. It started as a single frame. One image turned into motion using a new tool inside Hicksfield called Cinema Studio. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this scene was created step by step from the first cinematic frame to the final moving shot. Hicksfield is a generative AI platform built specifically for creators. The goal is simple: less friction, better results. Instead of juggling multiple tools, models, and workflows, everything lives in one place, from image generation to cinematic video.
Bigger than anything I've ever seen.
And their newest feature, Cinema Studio, introduces a very different way to create cinematic visuals. Cinema Studio isn't about random motion or flashy effects. It's built around filmmaking idea that actually makes sense. You don't start with movement, you start with a shot. Cinema Studio lets you create a deliberate cinematic frame first, then extends it into motion without breaking the look, mood, or composition. Let's take a look at the interface. Cinema Studio lives directly inside the Hicksfield website. The layout is clean, minimal, and focused on creative decisions, not technical complexity. No timelines, no confusion settings, just choices that actually matter visually. And everything begins with the most important step. Before I create any scene, I always start with a character. At this stage, I'm not thinking about location or movement. I'm focused only on who this person is, his age, his face, his expression, and his presence. I want him to feel like a real actor from a serious cinematic film. So I'll use this prompt: a realistic cinematic portrait of middle-aged man, weathered face, subtle beard, tired but calm expression, soft natural lighting, shallow depth of field, serious dramatic tone, realistic skin texture, and film grain. Once the character feels right, everything else builds on top of it. Now we move on to creating the cinematic frame. At this stage, you have two options. The first option is to write a simple prompt. You don't need long descriptions. Cinema Studio already understands cinematic composition, lighting, and mood. The second option is to upload an existing image as a reference, maybe something you created earlier from Nano Banana or other AI tool, and let Cinema Studio elevate it into cinematic frame. For this example, I'll use a prompt: wide cinematic shot of a lone man standing on an empty dirt road near a quiet village, early morning fog, soft muted colors, natural diffused light, emotional atmosphere, realistic film grain. Next, I'll choose how many images I want to generate. I usually pick more than one, so I can choose the strongest frame. Then I select the resolution. Cinema Studio lets you go all the way up to 4K. We have 1K, 2K, and 4K, which is perfect for film quality shots. So I'll choose 4K. Now let's move on to the fun part: camera and lens. For this frame, I'll use, for the camera, IMAX. You have different selections of cameras, but I'll stick with IMAX. The lens, signature prime, and for the focal length, I'll choose 50mm. You don't need to fully understand the technical details here. The best approach is to experiment until the image feels right. Now I hit generate. As you can see, the results feel cinematic. Soft colors, natural lighting, balanced framing. It looks like a still pulled straight from a film. Let me show you another powerful option. I can also use an image I created earlier as a reference. I select it, keep the same camera settings, and generate again. Notice how Cinema Studio keeps the essence of image, but improves the composition. Now, when I hover over an image, I see an option called multi-shot. This automatically generates multiple shots of the same character from different angles, while preserving identity. It feels like a mini storyboard. Some shots might look amazing as images, but aren't perfectly framed for video. That's not a problem. I simply hover over the shot I like, add it as an image reference, don't change the prompt, and generate again. The Cinema Studio rebuilds the shot with cleaner framing optimized for motion. Now we're ready to bring the frame to life. I switch to video mode. Next, I choose the camera movement. For this scene, I want something subtle and emotional. Slow cinematic camera push forward, gentle natural movement, realistic motion blur, calm facing, emotional tone. I keep the duration short, maybe around 5 seconds, to maintain realism. Then I hit generate. Just like that, a static frame turns into a living cinematic shot. Controlled motion, film-like pacing, and nothing overdone. To continue the story, I reuse the same character and create a second scene. The walk toward the village. Same identity, same mood, consistent visual language. This is what makes Cinema Studio powerful. You're not learning filmmaking, you're not setting up cameras, you're not dealing with technical complexity. You start with a single cinematic frame, and Cinema Studio does the heavy lifting. If you want to try it yourself, you'll find the link to Hicksfield Cinema Studio in the description below, along with the latest offers. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.